So you don't have Word, Excel, PowerPoint on your desktop and you need to work with those documents, or you downloaded a file or have it on a zip drive and you can't do it because it's not on the desktop. Well, here's what you can do. You can go to either, and I'll show you another option in a second. If you notice when you're inside your mail, your Office 365, and you click right here, you're going to notice that you're going to see all our apps, which Word and Excel and PowerPoint are here, and we can open that. But I want you to notice this tab right here. This is very important. Open and upload. If I click upload, it's going to ask me for a document. I'm going to go ahead and upload this test doc. Click choose. It's going to take it a few seconds, and it says your file will automatically open once this is complete. And so notice, there's my test doc. It opens up into Word Online, where I can manipulate and do all kinds of neat things to it. Now, the thing that you need to be aware of is that once you get done with this, you want to save this file. And notice there is no save because it's automatically being saved in the cloud. But if I want to get this back to my zip drive so I can upload it to a website, I would click Save As, download a copy, and then click Download, and it downloads to my download folder. And then I can either put it on a zip drive or I can upload it to a website. The key thing for you is to make sure when you download this file that you can actually have it somewhere where you can have access to upload.